What if everything you see is an illusion? Every ray of light that enters your eyes, every sound that echoes in your ears, every surge of emotion that rises in your chest might be nothing more than code, a dazzling projection you've grown used to living within since childhood. But what if I told you that the world we live in is merely a three-dimensional projection and illusion recorded on a vast cosmic holographic film, and that beneath the Earth's surface, deep within its core, there may exist another world, a realm where the sun never sets, where ancient civilizations still live in peace and prosperity. From Agartha to Shambhala, from Mount Kunlun to the Forbidden Lands, shrouded in mystery. Could it be that humanity is only seeing a tiny fragment of a picture far grander than we could ever imagine? Today, you are about to embark on a journey that crosses the boundary between science and spirit. A place where truth is not only found in what can be measured, but also in the secrets that have yet to be told. In the early years of the 1990s, a captivating idea known as the holographic universe spread rapidly among American readers. This concept was introduced by Michael Talbot, a writer fascinated by quantum mechanics and metaphysical phenomena. He believed that science and spirituality were two sides of the same coin. It's just that science hadn't yet caught up with what spirituality had long sensed. Talbot proposed a bold hypothesis. The world we live in is nothing like what we perceive it to be. Unsurprisingly, his claims sparked intense debates and skepticism, not just from the public, but also within the scientific community. After all, his assertions couldn't be measured by standard scientific instruments, nor grasped through the limited 5 human senses. But if we only believe in what we can see, hear, or touch, are we not limiting our own understanding? Our senses, while seemingly reliable, are far from absolute. For instance, dogs see the world in different color tones. Cats have superior night vision, and flies perceive time more slowly than humans. Their realities are vastly different from ours. Moreover, phenomena like UV rays, radio waves, or infrared radiation, even though invisible to the naked eye and imperceptible to our skin, still exist and have been scientifically verified. Hence the argument that if we can't see it, it doesn't exist, is deeply flawed. Remember the viral dress that once divided the internet, where each person perceived different colors? It proved just how easily our perception can be tricked by the brain and our subjective senses. And what could be more mysterious than dreams? While dreaming, we can't distinguish what's real and what's illusory. Everything feels real until we wake up. Perhaps this life we're living is also just a long, intricate dream, meticulously orchestrated. In the holographic universe theory, every point in space contains the entire information of the whole, much like holographic technology, where even a small fragment still preserves the full image. Imagine if the human brain and memory operated in the same way when part of the brain is removed. Memories don't disappear, they just fade, suggesting that each part of the brain contains the whole's imprint. From this, Talbot speculated that the universe might be a holographic projection, a three-dimensional illusion where each small piece reflects the entirety. If that's true, then the idea that we're living in a holographic universe might not be as far-fetched as it seems. The story grows even more intriguing when we talk about the hollow Earth theory, a hypothesis that dates back to the 17th century. Scientists such as Edmund Halley and John Cleves Sims Jr. once believed that beneath the Earth's surface was a massive hollow space, possibly with its own sun. Sims even petitioned the US Congress for funding an expedition to the North Pole to find an entrance to this inner world. Although his proposal was rejected, he never gave up on his belief. According to him, the inhabitants of the inner Earth lived in ideal conditions with trees, hundreds of meters tall giant animals, and advanced technology. They were a peaceful, superior race with astonishing longevity. Some people refer to this inner land as Agartha, a mythical city, a paradise inside the Earth hidden from the surface world by secret gateways at the North and South Poles. Many believe that powerful organizations have deliberately concealed the truth about Agartha to maintain control over information. But the story doesn't end there. Mount Kunlun, a sacred place in Chinese mythology, is also said to be a gateway to this mystical land. From tales of the Queen Mother of the West to eerie stories of the Valley of Death, within the range where magnetic anomalies and mysterious deaths have occurred, Kunlun evokes a sense of a boundary between the real and the unreal. Another legendary location is Shambhala, also known as Na'o. Ahala, described in Tibetan lore as an ideal kingdom accessible only to the enlightened, said to be a realm of nirvana. Shambhala is believed to house advanced technologies and wise beings with supernatural abilities. From llamas to Western explorers, and even the Nazis, many have embarked on quests to find this hidden kingdom, but none returned. The tales of the holographic universe. Hollow Earth Agartha. Mount Kunlun and Shambhala raise profound questions about the nature of reality. Perhaps these are just myths, but maybe, just maybe, they are scattered fragments of a greater truth humanity is not yet ready to receive. Only time will tell. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to join us on more mystical journeys in the next video.